Wait, the Pacific Ocean is getting smaller? Hate slow facts but love big surprises? Here's one. The world's biggest ocean is getting smaller. Now listen up. Tectonic plates are eating the Pacific via subduction zones. It shrinks about 2 to 3 centimeters every year. Meanwhile, the Atlantic is widening by roughly the same amount. It's a glacial, geological swap. Not tomorrow's crisis, but Earth's slow-motion remix. Mind-blowing, right? Pacific in, Atlantic out. Plates never sleep. Follow for more fast geology that slaps.